Hi, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Mark.
And we are Ponderosa Garden Adventures.
Hi, welcome to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. My name is Mark, and this is the Ponderosa. Today we are launching a brand new YouTube channel called Ponderosa Garden Adventures, where we're going to share with you our experiences gardening here in Zone 10B. Now, if you're wondering what I mean by Zone 10B, that is the USDA, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, has assigned every zone in the United States a plant hardiness zone. And you can go online and look up your zone. We are in Zone 10B. And this zone is characterized by long, hot, dry summers, but also, on the plus side, a very long growing season. Actually, technically, it is year-round, but for practical purposes, about 10 months, from January through October. So that's the upside. Downside, we get some really, really hot days in summer. It can get up to 110, and that really kills a lot of plants. In the winter, a little bit of frost, but not too many temperatures below freezing. Most plants will survive. Fruit trees love it. Lots of cold nights, but not too many hard frosts. So with that in mind, we want to share what we have learned, and hopefully you can share with us. Leave comments below. We are always looking for more information. So, thanks for joining us. I will say one more thing. We are not experts by any chance, by any means. We are not master gardeners. Anything we do, we have researched to our best abilities, but we make no claim to be experts in any of this. So we're just sharing what we have learned, what works for us in our zone, and hopefully this will help you out, and we'll have some fun along the way. All right, so let's get started.